Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Gustav Olsen, opening up another Magic the Gathering pack. Tonight, it's a Phyrexia Albion set booster again. I've got a Gladys, but I will find something good. Can I get a Praetor? Even a Dominus? A Draxa maybe? Well, without further ado, there's only one way to find out, so let's see what's inside. And away we go. Starting off with a lovely little art card. And the cards are upside down, so let me flip these over. Foil, Voidwing Hybrid, and Vran in the rare spot. Ooh, here we go. Bang! There's a Dominus, double rare pack. Love to see it. And we'll flip through the rest of these cards. Nothing else matters. The double rare pack is always a win, though. Well, to the dozens of viewers, as always, thanks for watching. See ya!